8 minus 1 gives us 7, and then 1 minus 8 inside the parentheses gives us minus 7. So 7 times minus 7 gives us minus 49. But unfortunately, that's not the right answer. That's the wrong answer. Why? Because you fell for a big trap, and this trap was the optical illusion and the order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order of operations, and you assumed, because of the optical illusion, you assumed this 8 minus 1 is also inside the brackets or parentheses, and it is paired with these two ones. So in reality, that was not. This is not paired. So for God's sake, let's learn once for all the correct order of operations. It is something called as PEMDAS, and that's an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS is. PEMDAS stands for P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first. They have the highest priority. Then for exponents. Then for multiplication and division from left to right. So pay attention. MD or DM does not matter. So first come, first serve, from left to right. Again, addition or subtraction doesn't matter. Go from left to right. And you can learn PEMDAS by this funny or ridiculous sentence. Please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. I don't know what Aunt Sally did or what you did, but please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. Let's revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. 1 minus 8 is inside the parentheses. So let's write it again. 8 minus 1 times 1 minus 8 inside the parentheses gives us minus 7. Okay? So we can also, for maybe better understanding, we can also put it inside parentheses. So one more time, 8 minus. So 1 times minus 7 gives us, again, minus 7. So we have 8 minus a negative number, right? Maybe this is the part that is a little tricky, but 8 minus a negative number. You can change the sign into the plus sign or the positive. 8 minus minus 7 is the same thing as 8 plus 7. Or in other words, if you multiply that, it also becomes positive. So 8 plus 7 gives us 15. And that was way different from minus 49 that we found in the first place. So that's the only correct answer. That's 15. So without PEMDAS, everybody would end up with a wrong answer. You would claim this is the answer. I would claim this. And probably there is also hidden combinations and hidden results as well. So, for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman? Whenever I say this sentence, I feel I'm like Saul Goodman. But for your homework, what would the answer be if we had 1 inside the brackets, 1 over 3? So please make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to support me, please. It helps me really a lot. And see you on our next video.